Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen with your favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway, as I said, it is quarantine time now and we have to grab what we can grab and make things at home to make the family happy. Wake up in the morning or whatever time you want to wake up and you want to make something nicely, but I want to share with you my own style and fashion and twisting of making Jamaican oats porridge with a little bit of twist into it, and I'm gonna take you through it and hopefully you guys like the recipe. So without a doubt, any further, the most important thing you need to do is just subscribe to the YouTube channel, go over to Instagram and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram and also my Facebook page. And we're going to show you how you can make something simple at home. Wake up in the morning and before you even go to shop to get more stuff. This is some tips and ideas and things where you can do at home, in this crisis. So guys, stay tuned and I'm gonna be showing you. I'm using some pack oats, a little sachet oats where you can use at home. That's what I'm gonna be using this morning. Alright, so I joined in my cupboard and I saw them and I decided to use them up. Nice and lovely. So basically, this is the oats. I'm using 5 pack of the sachet oats inside of this right here. This is of roughly about 5 pack. I got cinnamon, nutmeg, egg, mixed spice, vanilla, sea salt, and condensed milk. That's the Jamaican style of making the porridge. Alright, little bit of twist, and I'm gonna take it over. On my stove I have 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of water. Let's go over to there. Nice and lovely. So right here, this is the milk right here. Alright, there's a little tips and ideas for you guys. So I'll turn on the stove a little bit because I don't want it to boil up. So I got 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of water inside of the pot. Alright, so don't want it to boil. Nice and lovely. So basically, as you can see it for yourself, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a tablespoon of coconut milk. I'm using the black coconut milk. You don't have to, but that's Chef Ricardo recipe, that's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to the porridge. Now what we're going to do is put in the oats. I might just say I never make porridge like this before, but guys, you're gonna love this one because this is a new recipe for you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna allow this for it to boil up and it'll get really thick, but I want it to boil up for roughly about 10 to 15 minutes. Nice and lovely. Do you see that kind of bubbling right there, guys? You see? That's exactly what you're looking for. You know, look at that. This is a secret for enough of you guys, how to make Jamaican oats porridge. You know, look at that. That is so beautiful. Really nice and lovely. Now, I'm going to sweeten it up. Cinnamon. Turn on the stove a little bit. You know? Yeah. We got some cinnamon in it. Nice one. So basically, we put sea salt, cinnamon, and mixed spice and vanilla in it. All right. So we put vanilla, Jamaican nutmeg egg, a little bit of sea salt, a little bit of mixed spice, and a little bit of cinnamon. And now we're going to add some sweet condensed milk. It's better for you to sweeten and taste as it goes along. Nice one. So let's taste it. Wow, that's perfect. Wow, I like it. It's really nice. Look at that. Jamaican oats porridge. So lovely and nice. Right now this can share up. Honestly. So beautiful, guys. And amazing. So beautiful. Now it's time to share them up time now. Enjoy it. Nice and lovely. Look at this. Beautiful one. That's the real authentic Jamaican oats porridge. You know? With a little bit of twist. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe, and see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye. A lot of people when they're eating porridge, this is what they do. They put ripe banana in it. You don't have to, but you can add fruits to it. Yeah. But if you want, you can do the same thing. But Jamaican doesn't do that. You know what I mean? Yeah. Anyway, enjoy the recipe, guys, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Bye bye.